And time for a KHQ MD segment. I'm Dave Cotton. Are you considering cosmetic surgery as a way to improve your overall appearance and body image? Well, with us today is our KHQ MD partner, Dr. Kevin Johnson of Dr. Kevin Johnson's Advanced Aesthetics. Dr. Kevin, thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
You are an expert in this field of minimally invasive cosmetic surgery. Tell us what that is.
Well, I would say that minimally invasive cosmetic surgery is procedures that are trying to enhance the appearance that require very little downtime and really very little surgery.
All right, and you perform a procedure called Precision TX. And as we look at some of the pictures, tell us about this specific procedure.
Well, this is a great procedure. This is a cosmetic facial and neck procedure that allows patients that are having some laxity problems with the neck and lower face to address those issues by performing a laser-assisted liposuction type of procedure. It involves the lower third of the face as well as the neck, and really there's very small quarter-inch incisions, just a few incisions, not the big incisions that you would see with a facelift, for example. So this really fits into a nice niche. It's less expensive, much less downtime, and hardly any scarring associated with this, and you can see the results are really nice.
They're very dramatic as well. The company that founded Precision TX, Cynosure, has actually asked you to be a trainer for other doctors. Tell us why.
Well, I've been working with Cynosure for several years now. I've purchased several lasers from the company and really believe in their technology. I think it does a great job of delivering what we ask it to. The company's been great to work with, and I love teaching. I love teaching other physicians how to do these cosmetic procedures, and it really is important that they are able to perform them well and safely and to go home and reproduce the results. And so we have a training course, and the company is graciously asked me to deliver some of these trainings for the docs, and it's a lot of fun. We really enjoy that.
And it also, of course, speaks to your expertise in the field. Talk about SmartLipo. You also perform that procedure as well, as we look at some of the pictures of those procedures.
Yeah, SmartLipo has been around now since about the early 2000s. Actually, it was FDA approved in 2006, and we've been doing it since early 2008 in our practice. I think it's really a nice addition. The smart part of SmartLipo is actually using the laser. We use the laser to assist with the liposuction procedure. The laser melts fat, coagulates blood vessels, and helps tighten the skin, and which allows us to get a better, quicker result and fantastic contouring.
And overall, what are the advantages of minimally invasive surgeries?
Well, I think what people are looking for in this day and age is a great procedure that really delivers the procedure that they're wanting or the results that they're wanting, but they don't want the downtime. People don't want to have a long recovery. They don't want to be out of work and out of commission for a long time, and they don't want scarring. And that's the neat thing about these. The future of cosmetic medicine is that we're moving towards, there are a lot of neat procedures that involve combination therapies of lasers, injectables, and some surgery that allow us to deliver those results with very little downtime.
And I know for folks that are interested, you actually perform a complimentary consultation. Take us through the process from the consultation to the surgery and recovery. What's the timetable on that? What are people going to experience?
Well, we always want to listen really well to what our patients are interested in doing. So we have them fill out a medical history. This is a real procedure, and as a physician, it's my job to make sure that it's performed safely. So I do look at the medical conditions, the medications people are taking, and some people just aren't good candidates for surgery. So we try to sort that out. We like to listen to exactly what people are looking for, because it's really important to hear what people want. And then we make a plan together, and I help make suggestions, but I also listen to see what people want to do. Then we show some before and after pictures. We discuss the procedure in detail, almost too much detail sometimes, but people really need to hear what the potential the side effects, the risks, and recovery, how that's associated with their life, and if they can get back into work, how soon, that sort of thing. And then we will schedule a procedure and get it set up. The procedures are done in a very safe environment. It's an outpatient procedure that's done in the office, and people go home the same day.
All right, and it's also important to point out that you are a board-certified surgeon, correct? Why is that important?
Well, I think training of any physician is an important thing, and I think the bottom line is that patients need to be well cared for. And I think a good medical background, board certification, really allows me to make sure that patients that I'm taking care of are safely navigated through the process, and we can handle any problems that they might have. And
speaking of backgrounds, what about yours? Are you from the area?
I am. I grew up down the road in Colfax, Washington, so I'm a Bulldog, and I went to PLU, Pacific Lutheran University, over in Tacoma, undergrad, and then the University of Washington for both my medical school and residency. But in spite of that, I'm still a Coug fan.
Staying true to the roots.
Yeah. Grew up in the shadow of Martin Stadium and in Pullman, so yeah, I enjoy being here in the Northwest. Came back home to practice, so it's fun being here.
And didn't convert to Husky land, did you?
I can't be a Husky. Yeah.
Well, some folks will probably be happy to hear that. Maybe some folks not so much. But Dr. Kevin, thanks for stopping by and sharing some of your insights. We do appreciate it.
Thanks, Dave. Appreciate it.
And if you'd like to learn more about Dr. Kevin Johnson Advanced Aesthetics, just go to drkevinmd.com. That's drkevinmd.com, or just call 1-855-Dr. Kevin.